Hello lovely humans and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charlie and I make alternative makeup and music content. So, I'm not going to try to explain or justify my month-long hiatus from this channel. I believe in the intro of my last video I promised a more regular uploading schedule from then on. Honestly, I feel like I am days away from literally drowning. Can I say that? Whatever, drowning in schoolwork. So I'm just not having a great time of it, but we're gonna ignore that, shove it under the rug. Everything is fine, this is great. Let's just move on. Okay, so this is a tutorial for a makeup look that has been greatly requested. I'm a little surprised that so many people wanted me to show them how I did this because I basically just made a mess on my face until it looked good. However, I suppose the final product does look a little bit intricate, despite not really being so. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. As you can probably see, I've already done my base. I don't really do face makeup, like I do eye looks and lip looks. And I feel like I would be doing you guys a disservice if I were to suggest you take my advice when it comes to face makeup. Go find someone else for that, and then come back here and I'll teach you how to paint your eyes. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you want to do is take an absolutely violent shade of whatever color you're using. I'm using red, but you don't have to. And pack it just like all over your eye, just everywhere. And really the only thing I would try to be careful about while doing this is get like a mostly symmetrical shape between the two eyes, but like you can make a damn mess, you can bring it out as far as you want, you can do whatever really, like it doesn't matter, just pack it on there. And you're literally just gonna keep building up that color until it's as bright as you want and blending it out so there's a smooth transition between the pigment and the skin. Alright, now realistically this next step is kind of optional because it doesn't really end up being super important or standing out a lot in the finished look. But I did do this the first time I put on this makeup, so I am gonna include it here, but feel free to not do this. So taking a little flat brush, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, just on my eyelid, and then look up to find where I need to draw my crease. And then I'm just gonna fill it in, I guess. Shouldn't have done that. And then I'm just going to take like my finger and apply a red shimmer where I applied that concealer. And taking kind of a deep brown color, I'm just going to create a bit of shadow above where that concealer is and kind of in the outer corner. Now onto the fun part, it's time to do the eyeliner. So I'm taking like a sharp felt tipped liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to draw just a pretty standard wing to start. So we're gonna start from the inner corner of the eye, kind of follow that shadow we made earlier, and bring it out quite a ways. Don't worry about making it like straight, it really won't show up if you do it poorly. And we're gonna start another line kind of where the crease is and bring it up. Oop, and connect it. Well, I'm glad I'm doing this look today because I am not having a good day on eyeliner. and fill it in. And we're gonna do that on the other side as well. I really, really recommend doing each step of this liner, like going back and forth between the eyes just to get it as symmetrical as you can. As per usual, I am already flopping on the symmetry aspect. I do this every day, and as soon as I'm on camera, it all just goes south for me. And taking a little flat angled brush, I'm going to set the wings with black eyeshadow. Now we're going to add a second spike to the eyeliner. We're going to start right at the corner as we would if we were going up, but we're just going to take it down, sort of following the natural curve of the cheekbone. And another line, connect it, and fill it in. Now we're just going to kind of keep adding spikes, doing the same thing on both eyes as we go. And we're going to set all of that with some black eyeshadow on our little angled brush. And here comes a step that makes it literally not matter how much of a mess you made doing this. We are going to take our mascara wand, make sure there's very minimal product on the wand, and gonna just kind of, I'm just gonna show you. So you're gonna follow your spikes, or kind of the general shape of them with this. And also just go kind of wherever you feel like until you feel like the look is kind of balanced and correct looking. This does take a bit of practice to get the hang of. You definitely want to play with the wand and see sort of what you end up with using different sections of it and everything. But yeah, you should end up with something like this. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side now. And I will warn you, getting this step symmetrical is probably the hardest part of this whole eye look. And honestly, getting symmetry with this mascara wand technique is one of the hardest things I have personally done as a self-taught MUA. So, you know, don't feel bad if it gets a little interesting sometimes. And there you go, all done. You can add a lip and you're finished. Personally, I really like the look of a red and black ombre lip with this eye look, or a black and whatever color you did for the eyes ombre. If you would like to know how I personally do an ombre lip, you can check out my video on that. Should be in a card somewhere. I think it's this side. I'm gonna look like a fool if it's not, but I think it's there. Anyway, you can click on that to find out how I do that. I'm just gonna quickly do one off screen and then I guess we'll get to the outro. And there you have it, the completed look, all polished up. And before I get going here, just want to say, unlike my last few videos, I'm not promising anything with my upload schedule in the coming months because I am graduating and I am terrified and I am stressed. So we're just gonna see how this goes. I do really love filming. I do really love uploading content for this channel, but it is a lot of work and very time consuming. And since I am, you know, full-time student right now, not always possible. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, you can leave a like down below and subscribe to see more from me. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all of which will be linked in the description down below. If there's any specific content you would like to see from me, please do let me know. I always love to hear your suggestions. You can also find all of the products I used in this video in the description down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!